Hey guys, today we're unboxing the FreeVision Vilta M gimbal for mobile. I bought this off a place called eglobalcentralau.com. The website looked a little bit shoddy, but I thought I'd give them a go, and they've come through with the goods. Not only was it the cheapest I could find, it actually only took 7 days to arrive here, and that's pretty good for the middle of December, so close to Christmas. It was 144 Australian dollars, $15 shipping, for $159 total. So yeah, you can see there I ordered on December the 5th, 2018, and today is the 12th of December. 7 days turnaround, pretty good. So let's get to unboxing it. We'll have a quick look at the box. FreeVision Vilta M on the front. There's the brand logo there. Moving stories, revolutionary visions, all the usual Chinese guff. www.freevisiontech.com is where you can find out all about these guys. There's nothing on the top, very much on the bottom. On the back it tells us what's in the package. The Vilta mobile itself, a portable carry bag, the charging cable, which is just micro USB I think, a lanyard, and a user manual. It shows us some pretty pictures about how to hold it and what to do. Pretty silly stuff really. Down here it's telling us it's RoHS compliant, it's recyclable and all that. Do not throw it in the regular bin. It's made in China, in Shenzhen province, yeah. So yes, it's Chinese, but who cares these days, right? All the Chinese stuff is as good as anything else. And it's at a fraction of the price usually. You can get pretty good gimbals from like Osmo and all that for not much more than this guy, but these are supposed to have a pretty good app that does just as good, if not better, than the Osmos. Right, so there's pretty much all the boxing out of the way. Yep, we can chuck that to the side. Here we have the user manual, version 2.0, mind you, 2018, the 6th month, June. Overview, quick start, startup, specifications, warranty information, 23 pages long. You can look at all that online if you like. Let's just get him out of his little box. Oh, look on the back there, he's a like strap thing here. So I think there might be a strap inside. Yes, there's a carry strap here, so you can attach that to the carry bag, so you can look like a dork carrying it around town. Here's a USB cable. It's pretty standard length. If I can get a good grip on it. Not bad build quality for the cable. So here is the Vilta M itself. I have no idea of the way to get this out or in, for that fact. And because it's my first time handling it, I'm a little bit fragile with it. It contours to the case quite well, so yeah, there's like little indentations for where it sits there. Same at the top. Here it is. Unfortunately, my phone is in the rig and I'm recording with it at the moment, so I can't exactly demo what this is like firing it up. Hear how quiet the mechanisms are. Absolutely silent at the moment. I guess that's because the motors aren't activated. Got the USB charge port on the side here. On this side, that doesn't do anything. Trigger here, that has good actuation on it. There's a button here, a switch, sorry, to flick from red to green. That feels really hard to change, so I'm not going to change that at the moment. On button, another button there, a hat switch here. It's all got really good feel to it. Hopefully my phone fits in there. It doesn't seem to open. Oh yeah, opens plenty enough actually. My phone has a pretty wide case on it, a protective bumper OtterBox style case on it. So hopefully that will fit. This grip has a really good feel to it, really solid, good quality, rubberized feel there, metallic, solid plastic all here. There's a little tripod mount at the bottom here, and the lanyard. But there's not much else to it until I turn it on. We'll see if it's got juice actually out of the box. Yeah, oh, actually, here we go. It is going to try and fire up. No. So, it's flashing red because it can't detect a phone. So there's a little sensor just here next to my finger to the left that senses if there's a phone mounted, and if there is no phone, it won't fire up the mechanism, the gimbal mechanism. So that's pretty cool. So I'll just turn that back off now, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I do try to get back to most people if they're sensible comments. But yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.